it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a DIA&CO unboxing and try on. I don't know what number this is. I will leave a link to sign up for DIA&CO in the description box down below if you are interested. I like DIA sometimes, other times I don't. So this go round, I pull everything out of the box and I always check it out. Like when the package comes in, I'll look, and then when I get time, I'll try everything on later. And just like at a first glance, I thought, it's okay. And then I put everything on, and I feel like I say that a lot, but honestly, everything fits so well. Okay, so first let's talk about my stylist is Janelle. I believe she's been my stylist for a while now. Basically, they send you a little note saying, hey, this is what we sent you and why. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull out my price sheet so that we can know how much everything is, because that matters if I keep it or not. Also, they're cutting our grass, so if you hear something, that's what it is. All right, first thing that I want to talk about is this. Okay, so this is from the brand. It doesn't say. It's just called a Sonia Crossbody wristlet bag. Yeah, $35 is the price. Okay, so I saw this and thought, I don't need that. And then as I was sitting here, I was putting makeup on this morning getting ready to do this video, and I thought, actually, I do need it. I just twisted that, popped it open, and it unzips. Because I have black, I have tan, I have like light tan, dark tan, all that stuff, but I don't have a gray one. Oh, it does have a wristlet strap, and then it has a longer strap. So if you wanted to do like a little crossbody action on the inside, see right here, there's some slits for like your driver's license and stuff. There's also a zipper on this side. I like to put my chapstick in that one so that when I need it, I know where it is. This is very nice. It's like a faux suede material. It's small, which I like because it's like a handheld size. You know, if you're going out and you don't want to carry a purse or anything, you can just hold this, clip your little wristlet thing on it. Do I need it? Yes. No, I don't know if I need it. Like I said, I don't own this color, so if I wanted to keep it, that would be my reasoning. The first item of clothing is a pair of denim jeans. These are Jessica Simpson Kiss Me Super Skinny in a size 20. Let's see how much these are. These are $69.50. They're called the Roni Destructed Super Skinny Jean in medium wash. What did I say? $69.50. Okay, so pulling these out, I thought, I like the wash. I like the little bit of distressing on them. They're skinny ankle. Y'all know I like a good skinny ankle. So I'm putting them on, I'm pulling them up, and I'm like, there is no way these are going to button. Like, they were so tight on my thighs, but then the waist buttoned. The waist is a little bigger than you would think. They're not too big at all, but based on the tightness and like how snug these were on my hips and stuff, I was surprised that the waist actually buttoned. I like them. I don't have anything negative to say about them. They were actually really comfortable. I wore them for a little while I tried on the rest of this stuff and just kind of around the house just to see if I liked them. And then I realized that these pockets are fake. They don't actually. I mean, you could put something here in this tiny little pocket, like a quarter or something. But these are fake pockets. I don't know why they would make these pockets fake. I don't really know. This says, Supreme Stretch Fabric enhances and lifts, resulting in a fully embraced precision fit. They do fit well. I will say that. They're very well made. I like Jessica Simpson for the most part. I tend to find that I like Jessica Simpson after I've worn it a couple times versus like right when I put it on. So I remember that too whenever I think about buying these. I like them, but so I've ordered so many things for hauls, for videos. So I ordered from Eloquy, Misguided, American Eagle / Aerie, Lane Bryant. I think that's it. And I've got probably denim coming from every single one of those places. So I'm going to send these back because I don't know if I'm going to love something from one of those hauls. Now let's talk tops. This floral black one is from the brand Michael Studio Collection. It is in a size 2X. It is long sleeve. It's snug, but once you get it on all the way and actually pull it down where it's supposed to go, it fit really, really good. And it has this like gathering where it's like almost knotted looking. So this is what it looks like, how they've kind of just tucked it instead of actually like tying it and knotting it. And honestly, after trying this on, I prefer this kind of knot. It's not hanging, it doesn't get in your way. It's gonna stay, it's not going to come untied. This, after I had it on, I really, really liked it. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. I know it's a little snugger than I would like, but I do really like it. So it's called the Maria Twist Front Top, and it's $39. Let's move on to the next top. This is from Molly and Isadora. It is this Molly and Isadora. I don't even know if I said that all the way. It's this beautiful green, like 3/4 sleeve. It's got openings on the sleeve with these like really pretty button details. This one I thought I would hate, and it's actually really pretty. Like I kind of want to wear it to work today. All right, so this is called the Ione 3/4. Is that what it's called? 3/4 sleeve button sleeve tee in the color forest green, size 2X. It's $39. I think this would be great for work. It's a beautiful solid. I tend to wear these like jewel tone colors. I feel like they look best on me. Cash just brought a sock in here. Actually, we have what do you call them? Consultants in TV, and they come in and tell you what color works best for your skin tone and all that stuff. And this was one of the colors that I was told, and I agree 100%. I love this one. Yeah, I think it would be great for work, so I like it. And the very last thing in my box is a dress. This is called, it's from Tailor Woman. It's in a size 18. It's this purplish, purple, pink, and black floral. It has pockets. Yeah, it has pockets. It's a little bit shorter than I would have thought, and I like that about this. It fit great. I have nothing negative to say about the way that it fit or the pattern or anything. I would have liked a belt. I feel like a belt would have just tied it all together. This is called the Leah Floral Scuba Dress in black/magenta, $89. Okay, so while it fits great and it's pretty and everything, I don't see myself wearing it. However, maybe if you paired like a little black cardigan with it, that might actually be really pretty. It's such good quality. It's a stretchy material, but not clingy. It's very thick, so there's no chance that anybody's going to see anything that they shouldn't be seeing. So let me know too what y'all think about this one. I don't know if this like thicker shoulder looks better or worse on me. So now that you've seen everything in the box, the total comes to $271.50. You do pay a $20 styling fee to have this box curated for you. Whatever you choose to keep, that $20 is deducted from. Also, if you keep everything, you get 25% off. So if I kept everything in the box, my total would be $183.62. The only things that I want to keep for sure is that green top, which is $39. I do like this clutch. I think is really pretty. That is $35. And I also like that twist front top, which is $39. So with all those things, 30, 60, let's add it up. So I could get those three things for $93. That's with the $20 already deducted. I don't know if I want to pay $90 for two tops and a clutch, so I may actually end up just keeping that green one. I do like the floral one, but I don't know that I need it like I need that green one. That green one, I know I would get so much wear out of for work. This I don't need. Like there's not an occasion that I can think of that I need this for, but that one time that I do need it, I'll be happy I kept it, you know? Okay, so that is a wrap on this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will leave a direct link to sign up for DIA&CO in the description box down below. If you're interested, check it out. And thanks for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.